And I would say our final portfolio component is tree removal, and it's the one that we perform, but we don't focus our energies on. We aren't devoted to tree removal. So within tree removal, you have taking trees and shrubs out and grinding their stumps so that potentially sod or a new tree could be planted. Um, our portfolio will expand beyond that on an ad hoc basis as custom prescriptions may be needed. Potentially we have to do soil sampling, and we might have to do tissue sampling to more clearly identify the disease or affliction affecting a tree, and thereafter come up with a specific prescription that that tree needs. So our portfolio isn't written in stone, but that is a good summary of our most common services that we provide.